don't even have to tell you where we are. Oh!
I can't have kiwi, but look how pretty that is.
I know, I can't have kiwi either. I get the allergy from you.
Yeah, look at that chocolate one. We gotta get cheesecake.
Did you forget that I was also allergic to kiwi? You passed that down to me.
Oh, you won't.
I've never had a kiwi before. I heard it's like a strawberry. This is why we're here. We're here for brownies and ice cream. Ooh, what's that?
Oh, I never had that one.
What's the difference between this one? What's this one?
No, that's little. Look, no, that's this. Look,
That's a piece
thick.
though. This is like a full, okay.
Well, if you want that, get that.
No, I don't, no.
We're gonna
gotta
get
go
two of
with
these.
Okay. Is that strawberry or cherry? I don't even think they have cherry. They got a key lime pie. Oh, I didn't know what this was. Thankfully, they wrote on it. Thankfully, they wrote with cocoa dust that it was a tiramisu. I had no idea. Do you want me to get this for you?
No, that's not the good frosting.
They only had one package left of the good brownies, although, I mean, those look good, but I'm good with the brownies and the cheesecake. I really want the blue. Was it Bluebell? Dairy Bell? What is it?
Ice cream.
Okay, when my sister lived in Texas, she introduced me to this ice cream. I think it's Bluebell. It's really good. We don't have it up north. Oh, Mom, the hot fudge.
No, Carissa, I already have it. I have the good one from Kilwins. I paid $18 for that.
Nana already picked up the goods for tomorrow morning. I never liked birthday cake ice cream. Okay, where's the Bluebell? Where's the Bluebell at? I see it right here. There it is.
Oh, really?
I don't. Oh, they got coffee. I wish they had. Oh, they got cookies and cream. I wish they had a coffee cookies and cream. What kind should we get?
Wait, you said there was coffee.
Yeah, right here. That one's got a lot going on. I think we should get coffee. This is the last one too, I think. You can't mess with classic. And that's coffee. I'm not a butter pecan fan.
I like butter.
I don't. I mean, if it was the only thing around, I would have it. But, I mean, there's plenty of other options. Do you like sherbet? I feel like I love sherbet. Wait, they have Bluebell minis, Mom. Yeah, we're gonna need these. We're gonna need these for tomorrow. Okay. Last thing was some smoothie pouches for the kids, but apparently they don't have Once Upon a Farm here. My mom says that, but I find it very hard to believe that Publix wouldn't have those. There we go. Yep. Okay, wait, they've got banana bread in a tube? Carl likes the mixed berry. And my favorite flavor is pineapple, although, no, it's not.
No, it's...
Oh, I thought that this was pineapple.
Fruit punch.
That's
This
fruit punch. I don't want...
Ew. Pineapple in the box.
Oh. No. Alright. I'm gonna get 2 peach. My mom is worried that Carl's gonna get hungry in the middle of the night. If he gets hungry in the middle of the night and he can't find anything to eat
Daddy
in that
wants
kitchen...
chips, but don't...
What kind of chips?
Well, when
Anyway,
we're in
Carl
here,
will be
he
fine.
says, when we're in here, he says, don't buy them, but then we get home and he says, I wish we bought chips.
Okay, well,
So
let's get some chips.
Oh, they have lightly salted wavy ones. Maybe I should get those instead.
Absolutely not. We're getting the regular. We're getting them.
All right, we need to get a third one. Lemon? All right, I love lemon.
It's not lemon, it's limon.
What's the difference?
I think it's actually lime. It's lime. I think it's Spanish for lime. You want to try them? Yeah, because the lime tortilla chips are good. Let's get them. Oh, I couldn't get enough of those when I was pregnant with Kennedy. Yeah, TBT.
I have to put my phone number in.
These grocery carts are way smaller than at home. I don't even know if we got what we needed. What did we need? My mom called it an alligator, but there's one of those little gecko things by the door. Didn't you say it was an alligator?
They're vicious.
Mom, they're literally like this big.
They are baby alligators.
They're not baby alligators.
They are baby alligators.
My kids are sleeping. Stop it. Knock it off.